How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started guys by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in this method here. So let's go to the United States and wait for it to load. And here we have it. We have the United States. Let's zoom in on that and let's choose a city or a state in here. For example, let's choose Arkansas or Mississippi. Let's choose Mississippi and let's choose a city in here or a town. Let's choose Starkville or Pine Bluff. Let's choose Pine Bluff here. Let's zoom in on this town or city and let's go again to the search and let's type some kind of a small business that could be available in this place. For example, like hair salons, gyms, plumbers, or auto repair shops. But before that, we are going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So you are going to check their profile in Google Maps to see if they have a website or not. Then we are going to offer to create the website for them. And the second service is the removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And the third service is managing their social media accounts. So here, let's start looking for the small businesses like hair salons, or we can go for plumber, and I wrote plumber. I'm going to write plumber, and here click on search to see all of the available plumbers in this area. So here you can see that you have a lot of plumbers profiles in here, and here we have the first one, Bert Black, AC heating, plumbing, electric, 4.8 stars, 160 reviews, and this is their profile. So let's check their profile to see what are all of the services we can offer them. So here, let's scroll down, let's check their website to see if it would need any renovations. And let's scroll down. Bert Black, it looks like it's very new. It's a new website with the cookies and all, won't need any renovations. Here, let's close the website. You can't offer them any help in the website. Let's move on to the reviews and let's start looking for the 1-star reviews. That's what we are going to need in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service. So here, click on more reviews and let's go looking for the bad reviews. Here, let's scroll down until we find the 1-star or 2-star review, which would help us a lot when it comes to convincing the business owners to purchase our service. And here we have one from a local guide, which is Tara Miller, from 11 months ago. Service guy says it's too much. Whatever that means, he said he had 4 other calls to handle today and I'd have to reschedule because it was too much to fix my air. Also said at least I have a window unit to hold me over when most folks don't. Could it have been that this was a warranty call? Probably so. Either way, he was rude and I still have no air and no call from from office to reschedule another appointment. Like he said, either my advice, call someone else. So this is a very bad review to have on your profile in Google Maps. It would take a lot of clients from you, and it would give a very bad reputation for the business if it's not straightened away. Or if you can't straighten it away, you can just hire someone like me to remove the bad review for you. And that's what you are going to say to the business owner when you talk with him. Say exactly that, and I guarantee you would land the client and get paid for removing the bad review. And if you can even find another bad review, that would be a great thing to have. For example, like this one here from a year ago: never checked for a problem with duct. Apparently, before they cleaned ducts, then after $1,000, they said needed new duct for $7,000. Should have checked it before the $1,000 was spent. That could have been PD on new duct work. Now insulation blows in the house from vents. It is everywhere in house. So this is another bad review. So you can just take screenshots for these bad reviews, or you can just mention them when you call the business owners to convince them to purchase your service. And I'm sure if we scroll down, we are going to find more than those two bad reviews, and you can use all of them in order to convince the business owner that they really need our service. Another one here from a local guide from a year ago: overcharged. I found out I could have gotten a new inside in the outside unit for almost $2,000 less. I'll know better next time. I got in a coil and crossover tube, some freon, and a part for the EC for more than $4,000 for that. So this is another bad review, and we have now two bad reviews talking about their prices, and one talking about their stuff and how they treat the treatment of their clients. So that's something we can remove for them. And guys, as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service. Your only job is to land the client, make them pay you a reasonable amount of money, for example $100 or $80 or $70 for removing the bad reviews. Then go to fiverr.com in here, wait for it to load, and here this is a platform where you can hire freelancers who can deliver those services instead of you. So here you can hire a freelancer for only $25 to remove the bad reviews, and you can keep the rest of the money in your pocket. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.